From the referee. Here is Sancho. Wonderful, absolutely spellbinding from Jadon Sancho. Wonderful, absolutely spellbinding from Jadon Sancho.
Daniel Sturridge now lobs into the area. Pontius knocks it down. Sturridge now lobs into the area. Pontius knocks it down. Corona. Ibrahimovic looking for the second chance. Score! Corona. Ibrahimovic looking for the second chance. Score! On the bicycle! And the Galaxy pull one back. They're not done yet. Number 11 for Zlatan Ibrahimovic. It is 2-1 New England, and there is time.
Look at this. This is a long throw, and this is just creating something from nothing. The ball goes up. Look at this. Okay, nothing in front of me. I'm just going to bring that back and set it up for a bicycle kick. Why not, huh? I am Zlatan.
Yeah. Still need one more here, though, inside the 87th minute.